Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I took up crocheting again as a hobby a couple of years ago, and I was looking for a set of crochet hooks that would be easy to hold and wouldn't hurt my wrists. These LOOEN rubber handle crochet hooks have been perfect for that. So since I've started using these crochet hooks, I can crochet for hours at a time. And actually, I've been doing that for months on end for the past 2 years, and I'm just so pleased that I can do that without being in so much pain. The set of crochet hooks come with a variety of sizes that have been perfect for my projects. I use the smaller hooks to make little animals, and then the medium to larger hooks to make afghans. The company also sent a little package of stitch markers, so this is so convenient when I am crocheting in the round because then I can just mark where my first stitch was and I don't have to do a lot of counting or restarting. I definitely recommend these crochet hooks for crocheters of any age and any expertise level. You're going to be happy that you bought them, and that's my point of view.